The Wilderness Station is a part of Barfield Crescent Park, which includes 275 acres of backcountry and 5 miles of hiking trails. The Wilderness Station is always trying to get more people to enjoy the outdoors by holding different activities and group outings like their Nature Play Days.
Nature Days is an opportunity for kids and families to come out and enjoy nature. You know, kids are inside so much now playing video games and computers and everything. We want them to be outside enjoying the outdoors.
The outdoor activities are a big hit based on the kids' excitement and energy.
Oh, everybody loves it. Like I said, sometimes at first they're like, oh, dirt and mud, but then they see their kids respond to it and how much fun they're having. And, you know, I think it just harkens back to the days when this was the original playground. Outdoors, and the logs and the dirt and the mud was the original playground, and people are, I think, kind of going back to that and realizing there's a lot of benefit to that, and kids connect with nature so well too.
And it seems like more families are trying to spend time outside in an effort to get kids away from TVs and electronic devices.
That was actually one of the things that drew us here too, was they would be able to be outside and not stuck in the house under the TV, and they could just be out here and be together and get dirty and whatever they wanted to do.
Parks all across the United States are developing nature play areas, and that's what this is. We have logs that they can walk across. We have a tree we allow them to climb. We have the dirt pile. Lots of parks are starting to develop these nature play areas, and usually there's always going to be a dirt source and a water source and logs and rocks and everything, and that's it's becoming very, very popular, and people are responding very favorably. The public responds very favorably to these.
Nature Play Days gives kids the opportunity to paint with mud, play in the water, sculpt with clay, and just crawl around and get dirty. But they also get to explore new things and learn about nature.
My favorite part is digging and having fun. And I found snake eggs in there. Garden snake eggs.
Did it scare you?
No. They were squishy like white jelly beans.
And it's not just Nature Play Days that you can come and enjoy. Wilderness Station holds numerous events and activities throughout the year.
Wilderness Station, we do all kinds of programs here related to environmental education, as well as fun things for families. School groups come for field trips, scout groups come for their programs, church groups come. We have education animals inside, all kinds of them. We use the animals for our programs. We have interpretive hikes. Our night hikes are very popular. We have all kinds of family programs. We have toddler and preschool programs every Wednesday morning. Things like this. We do camps in the summer. We just have a variety of programs and just fun activities.
There's even 2 outdoor classrooms where classes or homeschooled students can come and learn. And if you need more information,
you can go to the website, murfreesborotn.gov/parks, and go find Wilderness Station. You can call our number, find out what's going on. There's also a Rec Connect magazine that comes out every quarter, and all the programs and activities are in there too.